is Mason.
My name is Ethan. We're here to show you how to prepare your bike for a road trip.
These are the tools you need.
You need a wrench to tighten your bolts and stuff. Chain lube, just in case your chain is rusty, and an Allen key for tightening up your handlebars. And you also need a brake pump to blow up your tires.
WD-40 is very bad for your bike, but not the worst. It attracts dust and dirt to your bindings and will stop the chain from moving freely.
This is how to blow up your tires.
This is how to blow up your tire. Take the top hole on the pump and put it up to the nozzle. Pull the lever to secure the pump onto the tire. Now, read the side of the tire, or the wall of the tire. It should say something like 40 PSI, which stands for 40 pounds per square inch. Look at the gauge on the pump and pump it up until what it says on the wall of the tire. Now, before you go for a bike ride, it's really important to blow up your tires and do the steps we just showed you. This is how to use an Allen key. Find the right bar. Place it into what you want to turn and adjust. Turn right and left to adjust what you're trying to fix. Remember, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty.
This is what you should show.
Okay, so make sure your brakes are in a reasonable position and they don't touch the grip. You want a finger width away from the brake lever to the handle, like so. See? And make sure it's at a reasonable position, like so. When you're driving your bike, you want this touch the brake. You don't want it up like that. You don't want it down like that. So you can brake easily. And yeah. Now, make sure your brakes do not stick like this. See how it sticks? You want it to go all the way back, like this way. That way it makes it easier to ride. Now, before we begin, before you even think about riding a bike, you have to check your chain right here to see if it has any rust at all. If it does, then you can use bike-specific chain lube to fix it. Now, never use WD-40. It attracts dust and will stop your chain from moving. This is an example of the seat being too low down. His legs are really bent when his foot is all the way down. He can't really pedal. This is an example of the seat being way too high. He can hardly get onto his bike. You won't be able to ride for very long with that, or ride at all. This is an example of a bike seat that is just right. His toes can touch the ground, and his leg is almost completely straight when his foot on the pedal is down.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.